What's up? How's everyone doing out there? Today I want to show you a neat alternative to grilled steak, but with eggplant. This is an incredibly easy recipe that comes together in minutes. I'm going to top it with a nice garlic sauce. It's going to be great. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go ahead and get our coals going. I'll be using my kamado today to get some nice smoky flavor. I'm not really looking for a certain temperature here, just some good high heat. So while the grill preheats, I'll go and get the sauce ready. Start off by peeling 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I want to make a paste out of this. Using a mortar and pestle is an easy way if you have one, but today I'm using a knife. To do this, just finely mince the garlic, then add a pinch of kosher salt. This isn't really for taste here. The salt causes friction when smashing and spreading with the knife, helping the garlic to break down into a paste. Use the side of the knife to smash and spread. Once it's spread thin, scrape into a pile and repeat the process until a paste-like consistency is reached. I'll set this aside and get the other ingredients together. In a small mixing bowl, combine the rice vinegar, soy sauce, crushed red pepper, sesame oil, and the garlic paste. Give it a quick whisk and set aside. Now for the eggplant. Super simple here. I'll just cut these into round slices about 1 inch thick. Then drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil on each side. Dust them with a little salt and pepper, and they're off to the grill. I'll slap them right on the grids and cook till golden brown on each side. That took me about 3 minutes on each side for this cook. I'll pull them from the grill and let cool for just a minute while I go get the mint garnish from the garden. Now just plate them up and top with the garlic sauce and mint. Now just serve with your favorite sides and enjoy.
Let's give it a shot. Yeah, nice texture. It's the sauce that shines, really. Oh yeah, that's really good and potent. I mean, I'm telling you, it reminds me of eating a steak. That's good stuff. Thanks for watching today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.